if I'm to build a new channel and grow it, monetize it in 90 days, I will do these 5 things. I'll fix them from day 1 without skipping any. Number 3 is a game changer. And I'm going to reveal a challenge towards the end of this video. You don't have to miss any part of this video. See me for the first time. This is Build and Brand with Kuyik, and on this channel, I help YouTuber beginners to grow, build, and monetize the right way and stay monetized. No shortcuts, no gatekeeping, sharing all the strategies and the mistakes to avoid here on YouTube. This sounds like something you love. Drop me a comment in the comment section of this video, and thank you so much for being a part of my journey. The very first thing I'm going to do if I'm to start today, or if I'm to start a YouTube channel from scratch, number 1 is having a clear niche. I know you've heard about this from creators, you've heard about this many times, but knowing about it is not enough. Now, having a clear niche, let me explain something. Niche is what you enjoy talking about, a niche, and you are the niche. Your niche is not ChatGPT. Your niche is not any AI tool. Your niche is you. Do you understand? So the moment you understand who you are, it becomes easy for you to flow in that topic. How? When I started this channel, I already knew that I was going to talk about YouTube growth. Why? I wanted to share my YouTube journey. But along the line, I was thinking that leveraging on other things, like maybe posting about AI, posting about X growth, posting about this, posting about everything, were actually going to give me what I was looking for, because at that time I was really looking for 1,000 subscribers and watch hours. I was really desperate for it, and I made those mistakes. So if I'm to correct that right from day 1, I'm picking a clear niche. Now, what would this do to your channel? 1, I have started a new channel, which I will be sharing the journey here on this channel, and you will see the reason why I said, but these are the things I'm going to be doing. I am not capping. What I'm sharing here is what I'm implementing under my. I'll be sharing what the growth is like on that channel someday. Having a clear niche from day 1, we will do one thing for your channel. It's going to build trust between your channel and the algorithm. The moment the algorithm trusts your channel for this particular topic, one problem, one audience, the moment the algorithm picks it up, oh my goodness, you blow up in no time. You won't struggle with views. So the mistake I made is actually reflecting in my channel till today. I am not regretting it because I'm correcting those mistakes. So if I'm telling you this, I'm telling you from experience. If you look at my channel's views are stuck. Reason because I was doing a whole lot of posting here and there and everything on this channel. So now I'm trying to put myself on the right path. YouTube is giving me time frame to understand what this channel is all about before I can trust you with my client or with my customers, because everyone that uses YouTube product is actually a customer. I am a customer. So before they can trust me, yeah, this customer can deliver to my customers. I have to give them that benefit of doubt. So you too, the same thing is applicable to your channel. So have a clear niche from day 1. Now, how would you have this niche? I'm going to give you the steps on how you can identify what niche you are to pick or what niche you should start with. All right. So number 1, you need to identify what you want to talk about without getting tired. Whether there is views, whether there is no views, how will you feel? So that thing that will make you to stay on the game when there is progress and no progress, what is going to make you to stay? That topic now, pick it up, make your research. If it's in finance, make research on finance. If it is on YouTube growth, make research on YouTube growth. If it's on AI faceless, make research on them. Now, what type of research are you making? 1, what problems are already on ground? 1. Number 2, if these problems are already on ground, what am I coming to solve? You understand the two? That two different things. So when you understand what problem you're coming to solve, it makes it easy for you to understand your target audience. You see, so everything aligns. Having a clear niche, making research on that niche, and understanding the problem on ground to solve, and knowing your target audience. It helps you grow faster. That is what I would do. Point one. So let me quickly add this bonus. All right. Study those ahead of you in that niche. The next point, which is setting up your channel optimization. This part cannot be overemphasized. You cannot say you are in a cooking niche and your banner is not reflecting it, and your description is not reflecting it, and your tags are not carrying it. Nothing, and you are in cook. How will you grow? So you have to optimize your channel overall. I'm going to show you how you can optimize, because I already made a video about it, because I don't want this video to be very long. I made a video about it, how you can set up your channel. So I want to leave the links of that videos in my description or of this video. So go watch it. Take your time and fix it one after the other. You're like 10% ready for YouTube to start trusting your channel. So you see, your banner, your description, keywords, your title, your thumbnails, everything must be in order. All right. So that is the number two things I'm going to do. I will put more energy into creating clickable thumbnails and clickable title. Those two things work hand in hand. That is number two things, which is like the general of like the overall metadata of your YouTube channel. The hook, how you start 10 to 30 seconds of your video, it must be improved upon. It cannot be perfect that first time, but as you grow to improve. Next point that I'm going to fix is making my analytics to be my friend. That is embracing my YouTube studio. This is going to lead me to reveal to you what I told you in the beginning of this video. I'll be embarking on the 14 days daily posting challenge. And the essence is to study the YouTube studio. So if you are here, because the YouTube studio says a lot about your YouTube growth. There are some data there you don't know how to interpret. We are still learning how to interpret them. So in this daily posting challenge, we'll be learning it together. We'll be growing it together. So if you are with me, go and type in the comment section, yes, let's do this. I'm with you. Because I want everybody to understand what your YouTube studio or what your analytics says about your video. If you can understand that, then you are already 75% ready for what is coming, for what YouTube is bringing your way. The kind of growth YouTube be pushing your way. All right. So that is the secret I wanted to review, because YouTube Studio is like your engine room, is the control source, the control valve of your YouTube channel. So if you don't know anything, if you don't know how to read those data, if you don't know how to read those analysis and all of those things, analyze your videos and see the one is performing, what to edit, what to, you won't be able to, your channel will not be growing. You'll be going down. Before you know, you quit YouTube. Before you know, you want to sell your account. So let's do this together. This leads me to the next point. Never you share your channel links with anybody. Don't share with your family, friends, and loved ones. Those are not your target audience. They are not your target audience. Your friends are not your target audience. Your mother, your father, your sister, all of them are not your target audience. All right. So allow YouTube to do the pushing by themselves. Okay. If you start sharing it, you are telling YouTube, okay, I can promote my channel by myself. So allow me to do the work, and YouTube will not do anything. Rather, your channel will be stuck. You will be stuck for years. So don't do that. It's very wrong. Best thing you are going to do is every single day you must improve. You saw things in the analytics that is not working. You have to improve daily. Whether it's your hook, make sure you are 1% better daily. The 1%, don't wait for 100% perfection, because perfection is not achievable, but progress is achievable. When you are 1% ahead, you are already on the right track. So every single day, there should be what? Improvements. Say, remember, we are starting our 14 days posting challenge. I'll post one long form video today, the next day one short form. So until 14 days. And the essence is to study our YouTube studio. So let's do this together. You are looking for who to grow with together. I'm here for you. Let's grow together. See you in the next one.